Hey guys, so today I'm gonna do a quick video. I'm gonna try to make it quick anyway. So this is the second time I record this. The first one I was so out of frame, so hopefully this one I'm better. But anyway, I'm gonna make these cute little pipe cleaners, teddy bears, bunnies, whatever you want to make. They're super easy. I got inspired by Turtle Creations for You. I'm gonna post her link on the description bar, so go check her out. She's super sweet. But anyway, the way I make mines are this way. So just get your pipe cleaners. I don't measure anything, so we're just gonna go with it. Okay, so let's go ahead. These are usually 12 inches. Okay, so what you want to do is start twisting, and you want to form an 8. So you start twisting, and you're gonna need 2 of these. You're gonna need a few actually, because it all depends how fat you want your little teddy bear. So you see how I'm twisting this way? This way I'm gonna be twisting the opposite way. So just start twisting. Trying to look in the camera so I'm not out of frame. So basically you want the bottom piece to be a little thicker, bigger than the top piece, but it's really up to you. They're not all gonna come out the same. So once you have, oops, I'm trying to go fast here. Once you have that, you put that on the side, and you get another one. Same thing. Start making your 8. Twist, twist. And this whole process is basically just twisting these circles and just adding layers to it. So you got that piece, and now this piece the opposite way. Start twisting, making your little circle. You see what I'm saying? See? So just starts twisting. And once you have that, you put that on the side. See? So it doesn't matter. You could use either size. You could turn it on. It's up to you. However you want to use it. So now we got 2. Now you take another one. This is where I cut. Usually just cut in half. Okay? And this is going to be his arms and his legs. So you want to make an X. And start twisting. Hold on, I got a cough. Okay, I'm back. Don't you hate when your throat gets all itchy and you have to cough? Oh my god. Okay, so there you have your little X. Now you want to just fold to connect everything. Fold and fold. Don't worry that the legs are long or short, because you're going to squish them however you want anyway. Okay? So once you have that, see, it doesn't matter. You have that. Now you take another piece. If you want the ears, again, just cut in half. Where is it? Take this one, cut in half. If you wanted to add that inside color, all you do is take another piece and you twist them, showing the inside. You see? That's it. So you take, and if you want a smaller ear, just cut that in half. And you do that, a little squeeze. You do that, a little squeeze. So now you have all these little pieces. Now let's start gluing everything together. Add glue to add the middle piece. Whew. Boy, this glue gun, it's good. Okay. God, here again. I hope I'm in frame. Like, I'm trying to do this. I'm trying to look at the camera to see I'm focused. Add that piece. Add that piece. And now we're going to add the big piece to connect all the pieces together. And you see? So it's like you're hiding everything. Okay. Once you have that, oh, this glue. once you have that, then you can kind of play with the arms if you want to make them a little smaller. You play with your arms. The good thing about this is that you could twist them and you can make them whatever size you want. Same thing here. Okay, make your little ears however you want. Okay. Super cute. Make this a little smaller. Some focus. Okay. Now you just want to take and start making the body a little fat. And this is, again, just take your halves and cut in half and start adding your little circles. The whole process is just adding these circles and adding, you know, thickness to his little body. So you add wherever you want thickness and you add another one. You see how he gave it that little cute fatness? Then this one, the same thing for his face. And you'll do the same thing for his tail. If you want a you know, a little fat tail. If you want a little one like that, you change the color. If you want one sticking out. That's why these pipe cleaners are so easy. And then that is it, basically, you know. And then you start adding your bling for his little nose. And his little eyes. And again, I'm making this one super fast just so the video's not so long, because it's easy. Just make them your way, you know. And this one's looking a little cray-cray right now, but you get the point. Okay, you start twisting his little body and making him cute. And once you have that, again, you add his little tail. Let's do that so he's not so flat. Yeah. You add your little tail, some more glue. See? You got his tail. And then you know, add your little bows. And basically that is it. They are super, super cute. So I hope you guys make one. Bag them up, give them to friends. They're super adorable. Make them all colors and have fun with it. Okay, talk to you guys later. Bye.